This bird is so mad at Seth. What's up on us, big boy?
Look at him bowing up.
He's bowing up on you, Seth.
You want pizza?